umpisa na libre na po, covered na ng PhilHealth, ang ultrasound, MRI, CT scan, pulmonary workup, SGPT, eye test, ear exam, even yung pong cleaning ng ngipin. So gusto ko po covered yun at walang copay, especially pag sa mga mahirap nating kababayan, at sabi niya po, it will be done. Ano pong status?
We commit to comply with this directive within the year, Mr. Chairperson.